Hello everyone, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today I'm going to be starting with a JavaScript programming related topics, right? So why JavaScript is very famous in the uh, IT industry on the top one and two, always JavaScript is available. See what kind of applications you can able to build with the JavaScript. Basically, JavaScript is available in the part of the user interface, in the part of the web development previously. But nowadays, JavaScript is available in the part of the front end side and back end side, like Node.js, Next.js kind of things. And based on the JavaScript, there are multiple libraries and frameworks which are actually very, very famous. So on top of the JavaScript, when you know JavaScript fundamentals, then uh, you can able to understand Angular framework, Angular developed by Google. You can able to understand Angular framework, and you can able to understand modern user interface framework like React.js, and you can able to understand about the middleware server side, that is the Node.js, and you can able to understand about Express.js, something like a bridge kind of thing between the front end and back end. And one more thing is W3.js, Web3.js. So this Web3.js is basically important for the blockchain applications. Web3.js, which is connecting to the blockchain Ethereums. Okay. And some other JavaScript libraries which are actually very famous. And one more thing is jQuery. jQuery developed on top of the JavaScript. And one more thing is Vue.js. This is also developed on top of the JavaScript. And there is one thing like Knockout.js. Knockout.js is also there. So this is also very, very famous. There are some different JavaScript related libraries which are going to be available. And one is the Next.js. Nowadays, this is a very, very famous one. So when you know JavaScript very well, then you can able to understand any advanced kind of libraries like this. Okay, each and every modern JavaScript libraries or frameworks are very, very highly demanding for the job market. Okay, so when you know JavaScript, React.js, automatically you can able to understand React Native also. So React Native is one more important framework which is actually used for mobile app development. So whenever you want to develop the hybrid mobile apps, then React Native is very, very important for that. So combination. So when you know JavaScript, you can able to go with the W3.js. And this is especially for the blockchain applications. This is especially for the blockchain applications, blockchain dApps. You can able to develop the blockchain dApps using by the W3.js, W3.js. But first of all, you need to understand JavaScript fundamentals. Then only you can able to understand W3.js and you can able to develop the blockchain. And Angular is front end part. You can use for the front end part. And jQuery is also front end. Everything is all, available for the front end. Copy. And this is also front end. This is also front end, and this is also front end. This is mobile apps. Basically, this is used for mobile apps, hybrid mobile apps. Whenever you want to develop hybrid mobile apps, then React Native compulsory required, needed. So, and React.js is basically again front end part. You can implement front end here also. Using with the React.js, you can able to use develop a front end. Next.js server side, Node.js is also server side, and Express.js. This is also in the part of server side, server side. Okay. So these are the different JavaScript related things. You can develop web applications. You can able to develop mobile applications. You can able to develop blockchain applications also using by the JavaScript. Let me try to write what are the different kind of applications you can able to implement when you know JavaScript very well. You can able to develop web apps. You can able to develop mobile apps. You can able to develop desktop apps. You can able to develop gaming apps. You can able to develop blockchain apps, and you can able to implement AI applications. And JavaScript is available everywhere. JavaScript is available everywhere. You can implement web applications, you can able to develop mobile applications, desktop applications, gaming applications, blockchain applications, AI applications, kind of things. So that is the why reason JavaScript is very, very famous. Suppose, for example, if I try to ask Google, top 10 programming languages, top 10 programming languages in 2025. So I want to go for the images. Can you see somewhere JavaScript is topmost? JavaScript is topmost. Can you observe this diagram? Can you see this picture? I will open this picture in the bigger screen. This will go somewhere, it seems. Yeah, here. Can you see this? JavaScript in the topmost. Can you see? The number one language is JavaScript. Number two is Python. Some websites are showing Python is number one, JavaScript is number two. But one or two, one or two, one or two, one or two. JavaScript and Python flipping like one or two. So something like that. So finally, what I want to tell you guys, if you know JavaScript very well, you can able to implement any kind of applications. You can able to develop Angular applications, jQuery applications, Vue.js applications, Knockout applications, and when you know React, you can able to understand React Native also. So there is a bigger chain which is going to be having JavaScript, and JavaScript is open source. Open source. Everybody freely implement all the libraries. All the libraries are open source only. No need to pay money for anywhere for anything. So anyway, Mohansh Technology is going to be providing you all the JavaScript related videos free of cost in the YouTube channel. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and provide some comments also. Share with your friends and family members. And Mohan's Technologies is going to be starting uh, become upcoming technologies, all the upcoming or emerging technologies like blockchain, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence, quantum computing kind of things. So for all those things, JavaScript is mandatory needed. JavaScript is mandatory needed for the blockchain applications and full stack applications. Okay. End of the day, once you know JavaScript here, you can able to implement full stack applications. You can able to implement this kind of blockchain applications. Even we can start a React Native applications. React Native course also we will start very soon. So that is the very reason. As a fresher or experienced guy, if you don't know JavaScript, please go through the videos, JavaScript videos. I will upload a lot of JavaScript videos here, and you can share with your friends also. And one more important point I just want to share with you. JavaScript is only online classes. All classes are only online with the Mohan's Technologies. And this particular JavaScript series also available in the YouTube only. And whatever the advanced topics like blockchain and full stack is there, we will be having only 45 days duration sessions. You can join freely, and you can able to understand. You can able to get the job within 2 months. Okay, so I just want to search jobs related area for the JavaScript here. So search for the JavaScript. I told you JavaScript is in the number one or number two position always in the industry. From the once you know JavaScript very well, jobs are yours. Jobs are yours. Okay. N number of results, N number of results. JavaScript, JavaScript, JavaScript. Only JavaScript, not help. You have to understand some library. You need to go with some other library and you have to implement some kind of application end of the day. But basic platform, a core platform, basic things, fundamentals are needed. Those fundamentals are actually JavaScript programming. Okay, so I'm searching in Naukri. I am searching in Naukri also. Let me search in Naukri, even Naukri.com. If I search for JavaScript related jobs, if I search for JavaScript related jobs, I will show how many number of jobs which are going to be available for JavaScript. Okay, searching for the JavaScript here, the Naukri is showing, my God, 67,274 nearby jobs. That much demand JavaScript is going to be available. So you try to understand how JavaScript is very famous and how many jobs which are going to be available. You can keep the experience like 0 to 2 also. You will be having 22,000 openings. My God, superb. So that is the why reason, guys. You learn JavaScript. This is very, very easy programming comparing to the Java, comparing to the C Sharp, comparing to the PHP, all the things. JavaScript is very, very simple. You try to learn JavaScript from basic to mastery level. Then you can choose your modern libraries, or you can choose your application development parts. You can able to involve into the multiple areas and multiple domains. Yeah, that's what for today. So let's go for the next session. Next in the next session, I will explore how to write JavaScript code in the different editors and how to execute the JavaScript code. I will show all the things. So step by step, you follow the videos and you can able to understand all the content very comfortably and very extremely. Okay. So thanks for watching video and like the channel, subscribe the channel. Comments are needed. Share the video with your friends also. Whoever want to learn JavaScript, share this video for your friends also. Thanks, guys. Thanks a lot. See you signing off. Bye bye.